All right, we are about to go into the Fantastic Caverns. Fantastic Caverns?
Caverns.
The Fantastic Caverns.
Did you ever try powder all over again?
And got the all the kids, everybody. So there's a little one down here. Look at that. Oh, look. So we're about to check it out. Let's see here. Let me see here. Let me switch it up. So about to check it out, see what it's all about, and let you know. If y'all are thinking about coming this way, we're gonna let you know how it is, how the whole tour is, and the roads were maybe a little nauseous, but it's all right. So let's get. So looks like we'll be in a Jeep trailer like that there. Be up in the cave.
Hi.
You ready? He's ready. We'll hit up the gift shop afterwards. It's warm. 60 degrees in the cave.
They said some interesting facts about it, so I'm excited.
60
I'm excited
degrees.
for it. Yeah, 60 degrees. These are
There we go.
Take on that
All right, so we're just in the beginning right now.
what, man?
Just talk to the camera.
That's big.
Oh, am I supposed to duck?
Yep.
My head's too small.
Oh,
My head's too small.
we got the duck in here.
My head's too small.
Here's another low spot. Maybe I should say lower spot.
Mommy, get down. Hi.
Yeah, glad to get low.
Are we through it yet?
Oh, God.
Okay. You're okay.
Well, hope you enjoyed the tour. Yeah, that's it. Be sure to stop at the gift shop. Folks, welcome to Fantastic Caverns. This is a living cave. Water's still doing its job here, creating a cave. It was an underground river that flowed through this limestone to, dissolve away the limestone to create the cave. And all of our limestone at one time was at the bottom of an ocean. Now, there was a shallow ocean that covered a lot of the central portion of North America.
Wow. Wow, it's circular. Wow.
Hey, notice through here we have a lot of stalactites.
No, it looks like fungus. Jill said she wants to eat.
What?
This is where we all get to experience total, absolute darkness. But I do kind of need your help. Now, if you have a cell phone, camera, anything, putting out any light, you wouldn't mind just covering the lens for a little bit. Turn it off. Up the lens, stick it under your jacket. Here's one we totally covered. Y'all ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. How's that dark enough for you?
Yes.
I tell you what, put your fingers in
Oh my
front
God,
of
it's
your face
there.
and wiggle them.
Can you see your finger?
No.
I just like to watch people. But this is how the ladies saw the cave. They came in with candles. You have a few candles going, you can kind of stumble your way through here. But what are you going to do when your candle goes out? You're in a world of hurt. But I tell you what, we put in electric lights in 1887. The old Edison bulb. Now these replicas like the Edison puts out a yellow-brown light. Everything kind of looks dingy. There's not much color definition. Look at that pearl collar. It's even kind of a dingy color. But this is how they got to see the cave in 1887 with this type of lighting. It was better than a candle. Thankfully, our lighting has improved a little bit over the years. We use different techniques. We've got better quality bulbs. So let's compare. 1887 lighting, today's modern LED lighting. The new type of lighting and placement really enhances the cave. Now, about 3 miles in front of us would be the Springfield Inside the cave, we have two sinkholes. The first one has a little hole in the bottom.
Big Russian hole. Daddy, don't drop your phone in that.
Look so close.
How am I supposed to get that wire? Daddy, don't drop your phone. I'm getting up. Okay, thank you. No, let me talk.
Now, this is a wet weather stream, so in the center, we went under the parking lot, we went under the road you came in, we're just heading into the hillside. You know, back at that well, we were over 90 feet underground at the ceiling. Around the corner, we're going to be about 120 feet, roughly 12 stories underground. We're driving level, but we're going into a hillside, so the ground's going up. That's the difference in the depth. Hey, when we're around the corner, I'm going to show you a little movie, about 4 minutes long. It's going to tell you.
Stop it. Don't move.
If you would like to video the movie, you are welcome to do so. We're going to turn out the trail lights and get rid of the glare.
Scary.
We're doing some water sampling here at the Fantastic Caverns. These are some of our samplers. A spring is the drainage point for a cave system. Right ahead is where the 12 young ladies have their names on the wall.
Oh, yeah.
They came through 152 years ago in February of 1867.
Oh, there they are. What's the name? There they are.
Little surprise rock on the right. Welcome to the auditorium. This is the single largest area of the cave. In the movie, you may have noticed he was floating on a raft during one of the floods using the little ping pong paddles. Well, that was nice photo.
Everyone does that.
Wow, pretty close.
We call this the breakdown for obvious reasons. You know, places once through here, the middle shelf, and of course the footprint on the ceiling. So all of this pile of rock at one time was attached to the ceiling of the cave, but it was a long time ago that it fell down. Look at the size of those stalactites and stalagmites. You'll remember how slow they grow. And you guys are parked right where this ceiling may have come down multiple times. But we want you to still feel safe and secure. That's why we have this column holding the ceiling up for you. That ought to make you feel better, right there. Hey, this little tunnel in front of us, as well as where we are parked, at one time was part of that pile of rock. Now, the tunnel was dug, this path was cleared when they were getting ready for the activities further back. You know, the speakeasy, the meetings and things going on. Before this path, the only way to the back of the cave was over the top of that hill. And that's the way those 12 ladies came in. Now you stop to think about it. Those 12 girls came through a little bitty dog hole, bringing their candles, dragging the ropes, turning those or lighting those candles in total darkness. We got to experience that. And then they had to crawl the way over the top of that pile of rock to get further back in the cave to explore. Nice big columns that they nicknamed the twins. But of course, their view of the cave was with candles and lanterns. Their view wasn't nearly as nice a view that you guys get today. Take all the pictures you want.
Oh, I see. It's the small one right there.
On the left, right here, my spotlight clears by a few inches.
All right, we just got out of the caves, and I must say I enjoyed myself. I waited many of years because this one would drive right past it. But what y'all think?
I think it was great. Great, really great.
Good. We enjoyed it. All right, we enjoyed it. So I'll have hopefully y'all get to see what we saw. It's an hour long, so I'll probably cut it short, but give y'all an idea of what it looks like, and finish this road trip up, man. Get to St. Louis, St. Charles. All right, till next time.